Okay, everyone, welcome back to another video with Posh Easy Win. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a new feature called Chat Server and Chat Client. It's a really interesting new capability. I think it really brings some flexibility to the tool because it allows you as an analyst or a team of analysts to kind of communicate with one another inside an environment that may have zero means of communicating if you're physically dispersed throughout different work areas and stuff like that, or if you're hunting and you happen to come across something that may be malicious and kind of want to keep it internal to your team to discuss back and forth. You can use this new capability to be able to do that. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to get chat server up and running using Posh EasyWin. And let's dive right into it. So here's the main screen. In the previous videos, I've showed you how to, fire up the tool, some of the other nifty features. You will see right here in the latest push that there are a few different tabs you can click on. Right here, you have Start Chat Client and Start Chat Server. So what we'll do first is we'll go ahead and start Chat Server. And you can read the message. It clearly states that the messages are encrypted from end to end. You'll have to set a password, and it uses some nifty encryption. I won't dive too deep into that right now. I'll share some links below. So it's adds some more security to the messages that are being passed back and forth over the wire. And you can enter the default port 15600 or set it to something different. Your Windows firewall may prompt you afterwards and say, hey, we're going to allow this port to be open. And if you're the administrator, you can say yes. So we'll go ahead and just keep everything default for right now. Press enter, and we'll see that chat server is now up and running. Now we want to connect into it. This is locally on our client right here. So we'll start chat client and we'll keep our password just the same. You can change it. I would highly recommend you change it and store it somewhere in case you need it later to decrypt the messages. And we'll go ahead and connect into that port that we served up, which is 15600. All right, press enter and we'll see that our team chat client window is up. And we'll go ahead and choose our username. Let me say blue team, and since we're serving it locally, we'll connect locally. And right here, you can see our username, date, time, our computer name. Obviously, we're connecting locally, and our encryption key. All right, awesome. And here's our username right here on the right. So now I'm going to go pop over to another computer and connect into the chat server remotely. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to choose my username. I'll just say purple team. And I will make sure that I input the correct IP that the server is being served up on here. So 30. Okay, and you can see that purple team is now connected. Just send a test message. Hey there. Press send. So we'll see that blue team sent hey there, and I can see it over here on my dissident. And I'll just say hola. And the message came back from purple team. We can see who sent the message, hola. And if you want to send some more messages, you can. All right, let's start hunting. Awesome. So this new capability is really cool. For an internal chat server, it's really nifty, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. It can definitely help you, communicate more securely if you need to in certain situations. I'm going to drop some links below to kind of some of the ideas that we're throwing around to kind of introduce this into the project. But shout out to Daniel Comnick for being a beast when it comes to coding and just expanding the tool's capability. So kudos to him. Go to his GitHub. I'll drop his link below in the video. star it, make sure you follow along. Some more future videos, I'm going to go over some more features with regex and searching through endpoint logs using sysmon, things like that. Starting to be more like threat focused and everything, to kind of bring some more capability and show some more features that Posh One has to offer. So hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take it easy.